Welcome to you, Meilihua Holiday Village. Got lots of floppy disks here. Oh, it's a photo. Looks like some kind of street parade. There's definitely Shanghai. It's close to the Bund. And you can see it's dated 1995. We've only been exploring like a few minutes and I just found this photograph and it looks like it's a Muslim wedding. The Muslim minority here in China are called the Uyghurs. Unfortunately, millions of the poor people are being locked up in internment camps all over China in an effort to basically eliminate Muslim faith in China. Even Xi Jinping recommended to other countries that if they want to avoid terrorism in their countries, then they should put all their Muslims in internment camps too. Allah Akbar. Oh, Merca's saying Allah Akbar. Hopefully there won't be any explosions in this building. Oh, look at this. Jesus, I haven't seen one of these for a long time. Some of you might not know what this is. If you were young, then you probably never used a check. What you would do with these is that you would give someone the check, you'd print the name and the address of the company on the check and also the amount. You can see that the amount is variable here. And then you put it in here and sounds a bit like a gun. This one's for Diners Club. This must have been a pretty fancy hotel if it had Diners Club. Oh look, there's a safe in here as well. This safe has been cleared out though. Here you can see I found the instructions for some pagers, Motorola pagers. In Chinese they're called BPG because of the noise they make, beep, like BP, so they're called BPG. I think these days it's only really drug dealers that use them in the West. Holy crap, this room is packed. So look, these are all like tax receipts. 1997, 1999, how far back does it go? 1996, 1995. There's so much junk in here. This is the storage room where they would be storing everything for this hotel. So much junk in here now. Mostly light bulbs. It's like a trolley, you know, like a waitress's trolley or something like that, drinks trolley. I think somebody's been taking photos up here.
Yeah, I saw that.
crap everywhere in here, but this looks like it was a bowling alley. It's an ad for Heineken.
Heineken? Fuck that shit! Pabst Blue Ribbon!
Have you explored bowling alleys before?
A couple of resorts like this one. There was one on top of a cinema in bullshit.
Yeah, I did a really big one in Dongbei before. You might not know what that is, but that's actually a mahjong machine. It mixes all the pieces for mahjong. Oh, bitchin'! This is Japanese. Look what it's called. Tinkle Tinkle. From Taito Corporation. You see, like it runs on 100 yen coins. Oh, that's cool. Look at this other one as well. Also from Taito. It's called Gun Blaster. Just found this arcade machine. It looks like some kind of shoot 'em up. It looks well old though. This must be from like the late 90s. The funny thing is that Chinese people always talk about how much they hate Japanese people, but at the same time, they love Japanese stuff. You know, like their music, their computer games, everything about Japan. They love it. Oh, I found my first bowling pin. Let's follow the trail. Oh, there's a bowling ball too. I think I'm going to have to crawl in there if I want to get in there. Oh yeah, look at this. Fuck. That is awesome. Oh yeah. Marco. It's like bowling machines around the back. Just go under, it's not difficult. Marco's trying not to get his clothes dirty. These machines are amazing. Bowling machines. Like Big Lebowski. Big Lebowski. Come under. Come under. I've been to bowling alleys before, but I've never been around the back. This place is awesome. I love this place. Oh, there's a back door as well. Look, this one's still got all its bowling pins inside it. That's amazing. And look, you can see, look, the machine would like pick up all the bowling pins and then put them down into that, and then that gets pushed outside, right? These machines are called pin setters. Quite beautiful machines, really. on the ground floor of this place right now. We've actually found this kind of Hawaiian style swimming pool. We've got to be super quiet in here though, because there's loads of bus drivers outside and we don't want to get caught. You may have seen my last video. You may have seen the video where I was exploring like that large health spa swimming pool complex, and that was in much better condition. That was much newer. But this place is completely thrashed, trashed, smashed. Every ash word I can think of. It's kind of ominous in here, actually. Here's Father Christmas. He's a little bit dusty though. Chinese don't really celebrate Christmas in the same way that we do. It's not really a religious holiday. You won't get any time off work, for example, but you know, they will go and have Christmas meals maybe. Even though Chinese people don't like turkey, it's a bit of a strange one. And then you'll see Santa Claus's decorations right through maybe from December through to May. Maybe they never even take it down. It always says Merry Christmas. Christmas all year round in China. We seem to be coming up on a big room right now. What kind of room is this? Holy shit, this place is spooky. This is really weird. This kind of feels like a movie set in here. It doesn't quite feel natural. Look at this, I mean. That looks beautifully set up. There's something strange about this room. We're coming into the ballroom now. Doesn't seem too bothered. Maybe he just thinks we're ghosts. Maybe he just thinks we're ghosts. Anyway, we just walked through the front door. Jeez, that guy made me jump. He was so quiet, he made me jump.
I just said, why is this guy pretending he's not here?
Oh.
Where's he going?
This whole place seems to be like accommodation for bus drivers. They don't really seem to care that we're in here.